Hello students, welcome to 8th standard English. Now we are going to the topic English first paper, Special Hero, memory poem. Special Hero is written by Christiana M. Herzen. Okay, this poem, Special Hero, in this poem you will be learning about a father and his role in the life of his children. Okay, love between father and daughter. Okay, see, special hero in this poem respecting and obeying parents. In this ultimately duty and responsibility of each and every child. Okay, see, first I will read this poem. Okay, when I was a baby, you would hold me in your arms. I felt love and tenderness, keeping me safe from harm. I would look up into your eyes and all the love I would see. How did I get so lucky? You were the dad chosen for me. There is something special about a father's love. Seems it wasn't to me from some place up above. Our love is everlasting. I just wanted you to know that you are my special hero and I wanted to tell you so. Okay, when I was a baby, see, when I was a baby, you would hold me in your arms. When I was a small child, you took me up in his arms. Okay, you would hold me in your arms. I felt love and tenderness, keeping me safe from harm. Okay, see, I was able to feel and love and softness. You hugged me lovingly and protect me from the evil. Okay, how did I get so lucky? You were the dad chosen for me. There is something special about the father's love. See, when I looked at your eyes, I saw infinite love in them. God had selected you as my father. Okay, see how lucky I have a dad like you. There are people in the world who have love for us. Okay, seems it wasn't to me from some place up above. Our love is everlasting. Okay, see, but father's love is special and superior. It is the divine love sent from God's above. Okay, thank you, are my special hero. I wanted to tell you so. See, it is my heart for ever, Dad. I want to tell one thing. You are always an extraordinary hero to me. Okay, this special hero, see, father and child love. See, in this poem, psychological development, strong sense of self-confidence, positive self-esteem, decision-making abilities. Okay, see, they put a positive opinion and negative events, live by values, special achievement, role model or ideal. Okay, in this poem, special hero. See, everyone loves in the world. Okay, especially the girl children love her father. Everyone says father is a hero. They are related to father's love. What is love? Familial love refers to the natural or instinctual affection such as the love of a parent. Next, why dad are special? This poem, why dad special? Unconditional love or love, sacrificial, hardworkiness, fearless, guide and strong. These are the effective points of father. Okay, see, love is a complex, a mix of emotions, beliefs, behavior, affection. These are the qualities. Okay, see, in this poem tells out about, everyone says father is a Father is a hero. Okay, they are related to father's love. Okay, once more I will read. When I was a baby, you would hold me in your arms. I felt the love and tenderness keeping me safe from harm. Would look up into your eyes and all the love I would see. How did I get so lucky? You were the dad chosen for me. There is something special about a father's love. Seems it was sent to me from someplace up above. Our love is everlasting. I just wanted to know that you are my special hero, and I wanted to tell you so. Is written by Christiana M. Cousin. Okay, this is a memory poem. Study students. Okay, total 16 lines is there. First 8 lines you study. Okay. Next, see. Answer the following questions. Who is the speaker? See, first read the poem aloud the piece. Okay. See, keeping find a little from the poem, match the statement given below and write in the blank. He always saves me from harm, keeping me safe from harm. Okay. Next, I am so lucky to get you. How did I get so lucky? Next, the affection between us has no end. Our love is everlasting. Okay, our love is everlasting. Next, see, who is the speaker? Answer the following. Who is the speaker? Who is the speaker? The child. Okay, child is a speaker. Next, who is the special hero mentioned in the poem? Who is the special hero? Who? The child's father. Okay, the child father, the special hero mentioned in this poem. Next, how did the child feel when it was held by its dad? Seems it was sent to me from some place up above. Okay, see from third. What do the above lines mean? The father's love seems to be sent from the heaven above. Okay, what did the child want to tell its dad? The child wanted to tell dad that he was his special hero. Okay, next, see, work in pairs. The answer the questions below. There is something special about their father's love. Identify alliteration in the given lines. Okay, see, what is my alliteration? First line is same. First line, any word it's same. That's a alliteration. Okay, see, there is something special. Something special. SOMETHING. Something. Next is special. 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 Okay. Next, pick out the rhyming words from the poem. Pick out arms, harm, see, me, love, above, no, so. Okay. See, this is the answer the following questions. Okay. Students, first memory poem study. Okay. Thank you, students.